Hey guys, so I am just coming to tell you, sorry, it's my dog again. He doesn't like when I'm on the video camera, I guess. I've been finding a lot of things outside that I can actually use for my arts and crafts. I came across on a walk today these dry flowers, and they look like little fireworks to me, so they made me really happy. So what I did with these, because I'm using what I have, I don't have a lot of colors, so I've been starting to mix colors. Used a white and red to make the pink base, and my next step was I actually used a nice lime green. I love the palette of watermelon. I think it's just like the best combination ever. So a neat little thing what happened when I was actually putting these together, they curled back up. They're dead, but they were actually trying to protect the seedlings or whatever. And so I wasn't sure if they were actually gonna like expand back out, but they did. So I have this really cute little bouquet that I'm gonna just put in a vase for a week or so. It just gives me a little splash of color and, you know, killed about an hour of time, which was really nice. Not sure if I was gonna leave it like that, so I played around with a few different things. I used my acrylic clear leveling gel, and I was like, I really wanted them glossy and I really wanted them kind of shiny, but I wasn't sure how to do that. So I ended up just dipping the flower in my gel. It's not how I wanted it to turn out. But in the end, when it dries, maybe it'll be a little crystal flower, so we will see. But it's not exactly what I was thinking of. So a few other things I've been working on. We have a lot of little acorns around the yard. So I've decided to make a little acorn family. And I have this little guy, and then this one's drying here. I don't know if you can see her. She's a little girl acorn. So she's still drying, so she has to stay there. A couple other things I've been working on because I love my sparkles. I've been making some cards. So this one is my little rosebud. It says, hey bud. And then this other one here, I haven't actually finished it yet. It's an ice cream. I haven't figured out a caption. So if you guys can think of a caption, let me know. Anyway, so that's what I've been working on. It's nice, got to go for a nice walk to pick out some items, and I've just been kind of like playing around with colors. If you have any like tips, or if you want to share some projects you're working on, link me below, and I'll keep you updated. Take care guys, bye.